Yo.
Keep my wife's name out your
Truck,
fucking
boy.
mouth.
Back with another video. I'm on my way to the log cabin. It's like a little car show, car meet type shit. I just got a new sponsor, like car sponsors. If you're trying to sign up and use my code ODUL, ODUL, you get a discount. If you don't know what car sponsor is, this is where you get car parts for the low. Like anything you need, brakes, rotors, cleaning supplies for your car, tires, rims, bro, that's where you go. And then let's say you get your shit, right? You get your product, you get your item, all you got to do to get money back is take a picture with the item, and then they will send you back. Recently I bought some tires on there. It came up to like $195. Took a picture, posted it, and then they gave me $40 back. So yeah, man, y'all better hop on that. So the discount code is ODUL when you sign up for carsponsor.com. I was supposed to be with my boy and shit, but some shit happened, so I really couldn't leave when he left. Like shit, I couldn't meet up with him. But we definitely on our way there. I know I couldn't miss this shit, bro. I need some content ASAP. I know y'all see the phone mount. This like $60 right here. So if you don't want to spend $100, $200 on what's that shit called, quad lock, this is your price right here. So I put this link in the description below. See, I could get this. Like I said, $80, bro. $80. That's it. Extra quad. Fucking Google, not Google Maps. I hate Apple Maps, bro. Bro, I hate that shit. With a passion, I hate that shit. Ah, shit. Motherfuckers don't know how to drive. I'm glad I got a bike, so when I come back, I can skip that whole shit. Fuck that. I got retainers in my mouth, so my bad if I was talking weird. We wanna get you. about these bikes, bro.
It's big. Oh man.
Yeah. What's good?
Oh yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, we at this event. Yeah, it's mad cars, bro. I've been to this shit like probably once. Yeah, once, as I remember.
I don't. What I don't do is I don't ride a truck because a lot of places still get.
How you doing?
Man, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
This is super comfortable. His bike's 25 years old, man.
25.
A wife. A wife? Yeah. Come you know what? She loves it. But she doesn't even take any of it. She got this. Oh, man. She's got one saddlebag for hers and one for you. She put all her crap in there.
Yeah.
And that interfere with all your crap.
Hell yeah.
They don't feel heavy or anything like this? It's a 725-pound bike. It's probably twice the weight of these. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
It's only, but this thing has twice the horsepower this has, and half the weight. Do the math, you know? This is nice. You guys know that. I don't even tell you that.
Shit. I'd be scared trying to drive this shit right here.
Tell this gentleman, I'm not a crotch rocket fan, but I want you guys to be safe.
Yeah.
My wife's nephew just got killed.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's the one that we went to on Mount Reed. For when they get the ride.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Nice, bro. Pretty much everything else is stacked on there. Well, I changed the handle grips to the teriyaki grips. I like these here. Those warm? They warm up? No. I just like the feel of them and the look of them.
Yeah, nice.
I'm gonna cop that one. And I'm gonna either sell my blue jacket or the black and green.
You got extra boosts too?
I just got the one pair of boots, and then I got these ones, and I got my sneakers. I was getting ready to order the lime green Dasani, or not Dasani. I can't even think of the name. How you say it? Dasani. It's the name of that fucking thing right there, but they're like $400 something.
$400, god damn.
I'm done, man. I gotta stop spending money. That's why I even thought about selling my few helmets, man. Like, I thought about really getting rid of the HCC carbon one.
I thought that was a good one though.
I like it, but you know, my favorite one is the Shoeies and that white and green one. I even thought about selling I even thought about selling the
Man, that sounds crazy right now.
Selling the Joker one too.
Joker. Oh yeah, that's the one you had on that day, right?
Yeah.
there?
Yeah, he was running, trying to fucking
Stop that burnout.
That's awesome. This is a big time frame.
Oh, I thought it was fucking pipes. They lights.
Oh yeah, that's not him. Yeah, you're right.